In this video, I'll show you how to restart N8N quickly and easily. If you ever need to refresh your automation workspace, apply changes, or resolve a minor issue, restarting N8N can be a simple fix. This walkthrough is short, clear, and perfect if you want to get it done without any confusion. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the admin panel. Once you're inside, look for your dashboard and select Manage. This is where you'll find the workspace controls and account options for your N8N environment. After you click Manage, look for the Restart Workspace option. This is the button that will restart your N8N instance. Click Restart Workspace and confirm if prompted. After that, give the system a moment to restart fully. Once the process is complete, your workspace will be running again and ready to use. That's all there is to it. You've now restarted N8N in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick how-to guides just like this one.